Welcome back, Cathy's. This is part 2 of our DIY Kate Bush Wuthering Heights red dress costume tutorial. In this video we will be looking at, first of all, how to take your measurements to create a custom pattern for your costume, and also how to create the bishop sleeve, which will then you can either use to add to a thrift shop or op shop costume and do a quick shortcut, or it will make up the basis for the wrap dress that we will do in the next tutorial. Okay, so on to taking our measurements. To show us all of the measurements that we're going to need to create our own pattern, I've got my daughter Ruby here, who is going to show you where you need to take your measurements. So to start with, Ruby, can you show us how to do the neck measurement? Okay, so with the neck measurement, you just take it from one side of your shoulder across the back of your neck to the other side of your shoulder. Thanks, Ruby. The shoulder seam, so just taking it from the edge of your shoulder up to your neckline. To create the sleeve, we're going to need a full arm length, so holding the tape right in the end of your fingertips and taking it right up to the shoulder. Okay, and so that is the arm measurement for the sleeves. To get the length of the dress, we are going to take a measurement down the side, so from underneath the armpit and dropping it down to the top of the sock line. Perfect. To get the back of the dress length, take it from the top of your neck and drop the tape down towards the sock line. The back of the hips, so taking it from one side of the hips across the widest part to the other side of the hips. And finally, we're going to take the chest measurement for the wrap section of it. So yes, just diagonally from the top portion of your shoulder to underneath your armpit, like that. Perfect. Thank you, Ruby.